Hi, it's Zach here with another Pulse TV video deal. I got a really cool tool here for you. It's the magnetic pickup tool. This is used primarily for picking up things like nuts and bolts and things like that for any kind of projects that you might be doing. As you can see, it can pick up one as easy as it can pick up a whole bunch of them in case you have like some sort of spill or something like that. Cleanup will be a breeze. It has an extendable arm, which is one of the key features on here. It goes up to 32 inches, as you can see, which is great for reaching into dark places or hard to reach places. And at the end here, as you can see, if you give it a little twist, it has a light too. What I thought was really cool about this feature was that you can keep this in the car, and you know how you always drop your keys to the most difficult to reach place in the car. You can always just extend this as need be, stick it down in there and grab your keys. You got the light there to navigate too. Now the package says it holds up to 6 pounds. We don't think that it will quite reach 6 pounds, but we do have a can here that's about 1.5 pounds, and as you can see, no problem at all. We don't really think that there's a use for, you're not going to use this for anything that's going to weigh 6 pounds. It's mainly for screws and keys and things like that, which we already explained. So it's a really useful tool. Go to Pulse TV and add one to your cart today.